Welcome to today's class. In today's class, you will learn how to apply change of base to solve an equation of this nature. We have several ways that you can solve this mathematics. I know of two. I had solved one already, posted on this channel. That one, I did not use change of base nor calculator. So if you want to see how to express it very fast within 3 minutes, check the video. At the end of this video, you will see that one pop up. So click and watch. But this one is for you to learn how to employ change of base to solve it. Let's do it together. I choose to change the base to base x. You can use base 10, still okay. So I use log x base x divided by log x that is here, then the base is x. You can use base 10, you will still have the answer. Log 16 base x divided by log x squared base x equals to 1. You can write this one as log x base x. But let's see. Log 8 base x. Log to its base is 1. That's log x base x is 1. Minus log 16 base x divided by these two can go to the back of this log. That will be 2 log x base x equals to 1. Now log 8 base x minus log 16 base x. Log x base x is 1, so 1 times 2 is 2, that is here, equals to this 1. We employ LCM here. We will do that carefully. Draw a line. The LCM here is 2, so 2 here divided by the 2 that is here, that is 1. 1 times, you see have here as log 16 base x. 2 divided by 1 that is here, that is 2. So 2 times what is here, that will be 2 log 8 base x. Please do not keep the 2 on top of this, keep at the back. LCM, first divide the numerator or the denominator by the LCM. What is left, use that to multiply up here. That's what I did here. 2 divided by this, that is 1. 1 times this is this. Then 2 divided by 1 here is 2. 2 times this one. So that's what I call it. So equals to 1. Now, what I need to do, what if I multiply this by this to make this equation linear? That will be 2 log 8 base x minus log 16 base x equals to 2. 2 times 1, that is 2. Of course, we can write 8 as 2 cubed, 16 as 2 raised to the power 4 equals to 2. Then the 3 we multiply 2 that is here, that will be 3 times 2 log 2 base x minus 4 log 2 base x equals to, so 3 times 2, that will be 6 log 2 base x minus 4 log 2 base x equals to 2. If you check closely, log 2 base x is common, so we can factor that one out and then see what we can do. So log 2 base x, if you divide the whole of this with this, you have 6 left there. The same thing here, you have 4. And it's equal to 2. 6 minus 4 is 2. And the 2 will come to the back of this log. That will be 2 log 2 base x equals to 2 that is here. We're almost there. We're looking for log 2 base x to stand alone. So if that happens, what if we divide through by 2 such that This will cancel this give you 1. So we have as log 2 base x equals to 1. Logarithm says that you can raise this to power to what is here. That means x raised to power 1 equals to 2 that is here. X raised to power 1 is still x. Even if you raise x to its power 1 is x, so x equals to 2. Because x raised to power 1 is x and x is equal to 2. So I employed the first method. That was what I did during the short video, 3-minute video. So if you want to watch that one, it's on the screen now. Check and watch. This one is a long video in case you're asked to do it explicitly, employing change of base. So whichever one, you still have the answer as 2. But if you have another way of solving this to have the same answer, let me know in the comment section. I'm still learning. If you like what I'm doing here, share, like, and subscribe for more. Bye bye.